Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be going back to the Forest of Hope, where we will hopefully get at least 2 more ship parts. We've got 3 more left in the area. Last time we perfected the impact site, and the time before that, the Forest Naval. So yeah, let's get right back into it, and then after we finish getting this area all done, we will go to a brand new area, the Distant Spring. Alright, so this is our first time being back here with blue Pikmin, which we got in the Forest Naval. I think I'm going to actually get 50 of these out. I think I'm going to need them for quite a lot today. I think I have a decent idea of all we have to do. I think I remember all 3 locations, but it does seem like enemies have respawned since we've last been here, so we'll see how we want to do this. Okay, so last time we were able to raise up a lot of new Pikmin. Ooh, okay. So we really can afford to lose some during our 2 boss fights today if we need to, assuming we get to both. But please die before you can eat any. Wow, that actually worked out. So yeah, I think that I don't know where I'm going. That is not the button I meant to press. Also, why is that Bulborb shaking? Look at that. Okay, so over here is a piece. One's over here, and then the other is right next to it over there. So it seems like... Aha! No, 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 wrong. Everyone's trying to drown over here. So rude. Alright. Alright. We'll start these guys on it. So I want all my blues on this, but the problem is that my yellows suck and think that I want them, but they suck, and I think they should just go home. Alright. Good Pikmin. I mean, I guess I can throw these guys up there. I wonder if there's any way for me to actually direct them up towards the wall from here, but I might just have to wait. Oh, you... These two are so unbelievably lazy. Break the wall. Can I help? Can I punch it? Oh, yep. You see, as soon as I started punching it, it broke. I did the whole thing myself. Okay. Yeah. All right. If we zoom out in the back right there, in the far right, I guess, we can see the next ship piece, and then in the middle, the armored cannon beetle, our boss of the day, at least the first one. So, yeah, this might take a minute because the black walls take a while, but like, hey, we've got all 100 here. This should be about as fast as it can go. Although, I think that the red, if it was 100 reds, it would be quicker because I think they're 1.5 times damage applies to walls. Let's just kill this dwarf Bulborb. Oh, okay, there's the mother. Nope, please say you can't come up here and kill me. Alright, but at least isn't, so that's good. Alright, punch in the wall, punch in the wall, punch in the wall. Yeah, see, I did it again. Hey. What? Oh! Alright, well that was 10. No! Oh, I'm doing this so poorly. What? You're supposed to... Okay, there we go. Now we get him. We get him. All right. This isn't supposed to be too hard of an enemy, but I suck. One cycle. Yes. All right, we got that in one cycle somehow. So I guess we have like no yellows, and even though they aren't as useful as the other colors, I guess I'll just put them on it. Except they don't have enough for a majority. So, alright, I guess the blues will help out and get a majority of that. Alright. My radiation canopy. It turns the harsh radiation of deep space into soft infrared rays that are easy on the body. I'll sleep like a baby once I get this back to the ship. Perfect. Exciting. Alright, so I'd actually like to beat them back there so I can see. So, real quick, which colors of Pikmin are out in the field? Let's see. Alright, I'll just take some reds out, I guess. And I guess a couple more yellows. I don't want to have to pluck the Pikmin, so... if I get my reds here, I think I'm just going to start on clearing this out so that I can carry back the later stuff easier. Sorry if my commentary isn't as so unbelievably exciting this episode. I'm just kind of trying to focus a little bit because I want to do this in a somewhat timely fashion, because you know it's I kind of don't want to have to come back here for another day, because I feel like it's very doable to get all 3 of these in one day. The radiation canopy, 17 out of 30. I think I need 2 to kill this guy. Okay. Well, thank you. I don't know where the last Pikmin is, but whatever. Somehow it's still alive, which is a scam. Why are there so many Bulborbs? Oh my gosh. Die, 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 die. No. Stop that, stop that, stop that, stop that, stop that. Why are my dogs barking so loud? Oh my gosh, stop. How have we lost 12 to this thing? No. Stop it. No, no. Oh my gosh, please. Please, 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 please die. Please die, please die, please die, please die, please die. Gosh, that was bad. Okay. Okay. So that guy is waking up, but it's alright. So let's grab some bomb rocks. Well, I can't throw multiple at a time, apparently. These guys are so annoying. Die. That is not what I meant to throw at it. I'm recording a video. Can I wait a minute? Alright. Well, I've had the first interruption of the series. Okie dokie. So before we tried, if anyone remembers episode 2, I tried to, maybe it was 3, I tried to put some guys up here by tossing them on top and then whistling them over. It did not work. I know that you can do that. I'm just bad at this game. So, oh no, how am I supposed to get them over there? Okay, so let's start with the blues. Yes, just the blues. Or everyone else. Nope! Okay, this is the burrowing snagret. And it was not supposed to come out yet. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need an extra day. Okay. Okay. Alright, that's just gonna be what it is. He's gonna die. Alright, burrowing snagret, please! Alright, so, yeah, this thing only takes damage on its head. So, we're gonna try and not have as many casualties as the armored cannon beetle. And there's 2! Why are there 2? What? Why are there 2? They're right on top of each other! Wait, okay. Which one? Oh no. Alright, well, this might be bad. Let's try and at least just kill this one. Okay. We're losing a lot, but it's alright. Okay. You know what? Why are there 3? What? Please just kill this one. Okay. Is that a new... Okay. This has been a disastrous day, guys. I wanted to get 3, and I'm probably gonna end up with only 1 ship part. Ugh. I can't believe this. This is such a disaster. Tomorrow, I'm gonna try and fight the burrowing snagret with only blues so that I don't lose any of the drowning. I'm just very disappointed in how today went. I was really hoping for us to get 3 days in a row of getting 100% in areas, but yeah, no, it's gonna have to wait until tomorrow. Right now, their most realistic goal is just not having it take an extra day on top of that. What's sad is, I mean, this is the first main area of the game, so it's like, I mean, when I get to the distant spring, it's gonna be brutal. But hey, what can you do? Honestly, even though it's like the last and thus most difficult area in the game, I feel like the distant tundra is the treasure is the least out of the way, if that makes sense. Well, not treasure, but oh, these are wog pulls, by the way. Not treasure, but ship parts. I feel like they're a lot more like I just generally like the area. I feel like it doesn't feel like a big central space with like a bunch of just kind of like little offshoots where on the edges where you can find parts. It really does feel like the yeah, I'll just, where are my other Pikmin? Alright. Quick mission. We're gonna try and save them. Probably won't work. Oh gosh. But yeah, in this area, I do kind of like I do like this area, but I feel like, except for like maybe one of them, like you're not really gonna just get the treasures too organically. You gotta really like kind of find them, like by looking at the map and then like just going to the extremes. Oh, 10 days since impact. Hope has begun to well up within me for the Dolphins' repair and my own chances for a reunion with my dear family. Tomorrow I shall go forth with a new attitude and continue my exploration in a different region. I hope that fortune will smile upon me. Alright, that was a day of 52 deaths. Okay, in the next episode we will be going back to the Forest of Hope and ideally completing it, leaving us with only 11 more parts to get. 10 in the Distant Springs, and 1 who knows where. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed. See you next time.